Good afternoon, I think. It's good afternoon, okay. So welcome to the last session of today's online class, okay. So basically the last two sessions are devoted to vocabulary activities. So you have already seen Gethenchula coming up with so many games and activities related to vocabulary. In fact, I mean, what should I say, most of the games and activities that we do in our school or in our homes are which are mostly covered by Gethenchula. But nevertheless, I've got 2-3 activities, okay? And then I'm going to present that, and we are going to demonstrate 2 activities here, and the activities which you are familiar with, okay? So with this, I'm going to stop here, okay? Yes, after this activity. I'll be taking a very short session, and I'm sure you all must be overwhelmed. Okay, yes. And what should I say? So, okay, yes. So I want to introduce you to this game, and I'm sure you all are, what should I say, familiar with this game called Scrabble. Okay, yes, you know Scrabble. Okay, now this is a Scrabble. So I could not bring all the things here. Okay, but you will get some ideas. So some of you must be having a Scrabble. Okay, now this is one which is a game related to vocabulary. So it's better if you buy these, and this will be, which is say, not that much expensive. Okay, so you can play with 3 siblings or 4. It depends upon you. Okay, yes. And there will be, what should I say, family members who cannot take part. Even in my family, okay, of our elders, they don't play. But even if you are 3 or 2, you can enjoy this game. Okay, so this is called Scrabble, and this is very much related to vocabulary building. Okay, yes. So this will be a nice idea. Okay, yes. And most of the games are covered by Gethenchula. Now here I've got, what should I say, including this Scrabble 4. Okay, the first one is verb, noun, adjective, adverb. Okay, I don't know what name, what should I say, I should give to this. Okay, now what do you do normally? Okay, yes. So we write, what should I say, the words, for example. Okay, yes. Here I will write noun. Okay, there will be some columns, and then I will write adjective. I will write verb, and then I will write adverb. So you can make a column like this. Okay. So if you, what should I say, are playing in your family, okay, now you can write like this, and you just, what should I say, play this with your family members. Okay, yes. So this is the game that it's related to the vocabulary. So how do we play this? Okay, now since I have already have this column, now what do you say? You will just pick one letter. For example, L. If I get the letter L, okay, now what you will do, you will write one, okay, noun word which starts with the letter L, and then one word which is adjective, verb, adverb, like this. Now, as far as these are concerned, it's up to you, okay, what you want to write. Okay, now here I've just used the parts of speech. Okay, yes. So you have to get one letter, and then one, what should I say, everybody will start writing. Okay, yes. Did you get this? Now, I'm going to do this with Gethenchula. Okay, yes. So if you are watching this, you can participate. Okay, yes. You can also give us the letter. Okay, yes. Which letter should we start? Okay, so you can help us. For example, noun, we have got adjective, we have got verb, we have got adverb. Okay, yes. So it doesn't mean that you should come up with all the words. Okay, it doesn't mean that the word which it is, all these columns should be filled. Okay, now sometimes we don't have the adjective of that particular verb. Okay, sometimes we don't have the adverb of that particular word. Okay, yes, this happens. Okay, but you are going to try your best to come up with all these things. So in this way, what should I say, you can also know your different parts of speech, and this will also help you which you know the words better. Okay, yes. So Getanjula, can I invite you here, and you will be what you're doing there, and I'll be doing here. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So, okay, which one? Okay, yes. So if students are, what should I say, watching right now, you can, what should I say, help us by giving one letter. Are there any students? If not, then okay, yes. So Gela, shall we start?
Sure.
Yes, okay. Now which letter? You have any idea which letter?
So let's ask Chotubla to come up with one letter.
Okay, one letter for
Tibettv
you
crew
and
member.
one letter for me.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 letters.
T for me? Okay.
And for me? S. Okay, so we have to write S.
Okay, so Gela, I have
Okay,
to
S.
begin with, again, we have
Word
to write
starting
all
with
now.
S. Okay, yes.
T, okay, me T.
S.
T, 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 okay. So I just need to ask one question.
Yes.
So do I have to add an adjective for the noun, or I have to convert the noun into adjective by adding
No, there's no
prefixes?
need for you to. As long as you have the adjective with the starting letter, okay, it's okay. Yes.
Okay, any adjective letter
any
will do,
adjective,
starting
but
for
that,
to-
that
no
first
connection
letter
is
should
required.
have this. No connection.
Okay, okay, thank you. T, 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 T. Can you help me? T. Okay, T. Okay, yes, T. That's fine.
Slowly. Okay.
Tremendous. T, 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 T.
Slowly.
Try.
Okay, yes.
Adverb, 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 adverb.
Okay, yes. So what words you have? T.
T, tremendous,
Tremendous.
try,
Try.
thankfully.
Thankfully. And mine?
Sun, sunny, search, slowly.
Okay, yes. So there is one. Okay, shall we go for one more? Okay,
Sure.
yes. Yeah? Setubla, any words?
Edge, edge. Okay, for Gela.
L. Okay, L.
So for me, it's edge. Okay.
L. Okay, L.
Edge, 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 edge,
L,
edge,
L, L,
edge. Okay, home. Honest.
Lovely.
Higher.
Lovely.
I'm done.
Okay, I got a very beautiful word. Okay, okay, L. So, okay, Gela.
So you
You
love
have-
this word love, right?
I don't know. Somebody
Gela
gave me.
keeps
Okay.
saying love all the time. No.
Your word, home,
Home,
honest,
honest, higher, hopefully.
Okay, mine.
Love. Okay. Lovely. Again love. Lovingly.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So this is one game. Okay. Yes. Now next time, instead of noun, sometimes what we do, we can write a name of an animal here. This is what I do with my girls. Okay, my family. Then
have to try this?
you can write one country name or place, or you can write one place. Okay, is it place? Okay, what should I say? Food. Okay, yes, food.
So do I have to remove
Animal.
rub this?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. Animal, country, food. What else should we put?
Okay, what did you say?
Animal, country, food.
Animal, okay. Animal. What's next? Country, okay.
Yeah, country, food.
Country.
Yeah,
Food.
vegetable, I think vegetable or
Okay,
fruit.
vegetable, all right.
Veg or fruit, okay, yes.
So this option?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
option, yeah.
Okay.
So like this. Okay, let us do this only one, okay?
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Now can we have the letters, please?
Chutubla. P. P, okay.
Killer P and L, okay, L.
P, 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 P.
So L, my letter is
Okay,
L.
P, 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 P.
So animal, line, country, food, L, L,
P, 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 P,
Lady
Peru, Paris.
okay,
I'll first begin with
food, L,
oh, good. Let's P, 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 veg or fruit. Okay, pineapple, right. Pineapple. Peru, right? Peru is a country. Is it? Peru? Okay, I can think of. Food. Pizza. Pizza is junk food, right? I don't want to write pizza. I'll think of something better for you. Any name of food? Can you suggest? Potato chips. No, food, not food. P. Food. Oh God. Rice. Pasta.
yeah, it's
Okay, so pizza, pasta. Okay, so I can think of all this. Sorry.
okay.
Pasta again is not a very healthy food, right?
So let us see.
Panda.
Animal, you have panta, and country Peru, and food pasta, vegetable, fruit pineapple. Okay, yes.
So you got line,
Mine.
Libya, laughing. Okay,
Yeah,
it's
laughing.
a food. Ladyfinger. Okay.
Yes. So this is what you say, one activity that you can do to, what you say, enhance your vocabulary. Okay. Yes. So in the previous one we wrote all the parts of speech, and this time we wrote what you say, different words. Okay. You can come up with so many other topics. It doesn't mean that you have to just stick to this. Okay. Yes. Now that is one, and other one. Okay. Now Gela, we will do what you say, prefix and suffix. So Gela, write some common prefix and
Okay.
some suffix. Okay.
On
Yes.
this paper?
Yeah. Okay. And then we have to take one. Okay. And then we have to write.
Okay, so do I have to write both prefix as well as suffix?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Common.
In the blue sheet you can write prefix.
And the
or
yellow
in the
one,
yellow
suffix.
one suffix.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have to shuffle, and then you have to pick one. Okay. Yes.
Prefix. I get the marker. Okay, now you're going to show this paper to the rest.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, okay.
Then I need to get ink. Oh, sorry, color pen. I'll get my color pens. That's better.
Okay, yes. So next we are going to do one game which is related to prefix and suffix. So you see Gela is writing the prefix and suffix, and what we do now, if we are in a group, what do we do? Each student will pick one, which we say that sheet on which the prefix or suffix are written, and then which we say whatever prefix or suffix you get, you have to write, okay, yes, as many words as you can. So that is the thing that we are going to do, okay, yes. For example, I will just give you an example. If you get im, okay, so that is the prefix, okay. So you have to keep on writing all the words having which is I am. Okay, yes. So you have to write. Okay, yes. So that is the thing. And if you get one suffix, okay, yes, and ess, for example, and you have to write all the words which has an ess suffix. Okay, yes. So that is what we are going to do. And you can also, what should I say, play this game with your siblings or your family or your friends. Okay, yes. So these are the, what should I say, this is a suffix. Okay, yes. It's enough, Gila, I think. We have got enough
These are prefixes.
prefix. Okay,
Oh,
yes.
okay. Just one more suffix.
Okay, yes. So these are the prefix that we have, Kila. Okay, yes. So we are going to shuffle this, and then you're going to pick one. Okay, yes. So this is the prefix, and these are the suffix. Can you hold this for
Yeah,
me?
sure.
Yes. Okay. These are the suffix. Can I show it? Okay, yes. So we are going to shuffle this. Okay. What shall we do? Shall we start with the suffix, or you take one and I take another? What do you want to do?
Yeah, whatever is convenient.
Okay, so
for
let
you.
us start from this. Okay,
Okay.
this is a suffix.
Okay.
So Gela, can you shuffle this and then give one paper to me, and then you can
Okay.
take the other one. Okay, yes.
So this is
So
for
this
me?
is able. So mine is able. Now this is the suffix. So
Okay.
I have to write all the words which has this as a suffix.
Okay.
As many words as we can. And for student, you can also have some time limit. Okay.
Okay.
Now today what we are doing, we are just demonstrating. So we can try. Okay. So can we start?
Okay.
You can use this. Okay.
So we are right
Suffix.
now doing suffix.
Yep.
Okay.
So
So I'll
mine
be
is-
writing all the words I can remember or I can think of that ends with IVE. That is a suffix, IVE. If. Okay, let's start. The suffix is IVE.
enable.
I'll begin with active. Creative. Responsive.
Enable, teachable, comfortable.
Okay, so Chodubla suggested positive from there. Okay, positive. This is
comfortable.
one coming from viewer. Okay,
Teachable.
positive, negative,
Can you give me any word? Able.
negative,
Comment.
relative. Okay,
Capable. Oh, yeah.
relative.
Capable. So you see, students are doing much better than us. Enable, teachable.
Persuasive. I remember
just
persuasive writing, right?
Doubt about this
Persuasive.
spelling. Teachable,
Argumentative.
teachable,
Wow.
teachable.
So I'm getting all the words that we have already discussed, right?
Capable.
Argumentative writing, persuasive
Arguable. Is it
writing.
arguable? Arguable.
Argumentative, persuasive,
Ah.
corrosive,
Able. Teachable.
corrosive. Yeah, sensitive.
So I can't remember any words now. Going to stop here.
Understandable.
Understandable.
Sensitive. Possessive.
Yeah. Understandable.
Possessive.
Understandable. Do we have this word? Understandable. Understandable.
Possessive. What else?
Okay, shall we stop?
Okay. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay,
6,
yes.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So
Yay!
you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got only
I got
5.
11.
Okay, yes.
Yay!
So what are the words you have?
Active,
Responsive.
creative,
Okay.
responsive, positive, negative, relative, persuasive, argumentative, corrosive, sensitive, possessive.
Whole lot of words, yeah? Now, can you think of any other words here?
With able,
Enable,
teachable, lovable, your favorite word.
Able.
Kela,
Oh,
love,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Your favorite word, love. Lovable,
Lovable.
lovable, adorable.
Is it?
Adorable.
I really, what should I say, wonder the spelling. Sometimes I
Adorable.
feel- adorable. Okay, yes. Adorable. Okay, thank you so much, Gela.
Touchable, untouchable, we have.
Yeah, so you have got whole loads. So I don't know where my mind is right now.
Detachable,
Okay.
detachable.
Okay, thank you. So we are done with suffix, Gela.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh, now
now-
with prefix.
Prefix, shall we start with prefix?
Okay, so these are the words. Okay, I'm shuffling the
Okay,
four
yes.
papers. Okay, so you can choose.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh, this one is im.
Im. I have got an, both negative.
Okay.
Okay.
Im. Okay,
and
yes.
now we are doing
Prefix.
prefix.
Okay.
So the prefix that I got is un.
Possible.
So I'll begin with
Impossible.
unable. Okay. Untimely,
Immature. Immature.
undue,
Immature. Immature.
unable, unwanted,
Imitated.
unwanted,
Is it?
uninvited,
Keller, do we have this word imitate?
imitate. Imitate, it's not
that
im
word
is-
itself
yeah,
is-
the word itself, right?
Okay,
So
so
im
yeah,
here is
so
not
that's why. Okay,
prefix.
yes.
Uninvited,
im.
unwanted, unnecessary,
Impure. Okay. Impure. Impure. Impure.
imagination. Imagination is
Imagination,
not,
no.
im is not used as a prefix.
Just like okay,
Imagination.
yes. Immature. Impure.
Unsung, unattentive, unattentive, undesirable, undesirable,
Important. Okay, yes. That's not a good word, but important.
unshockable.
Oh, impossible.
Uncle, no. Uncle is a word itself. It's not a, uncle is a simple word. So it's no it's a prefix attached to it.
Impermanent. Okay.
Uncle,
Impermanent.
yeah, untouchable.
Impermanent.
Immigration, yeah.
Immigration.
Migration, immigration.
Immigration. Okay, good. Immigration. So I'm going to stop here.
Unlikely.
Yes. Illegal. Immigration.
Unlikely.
Okay, yes, I'm done, Gela. So, Gela, you are very rich in vocabulary.
No,
Okay, yes.
unavoidable
How
circumstances.
many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can you please stop? 14, 15. Improvement. Improvement. What about this word, Gela? Improve.
Improvement.
Prove. We don't have that word
Yeah.
prove, isn't it? So this is a word in itself, isn't it?
But proof is
Okay, yes,
yeah,
verb.
proof
Okay,
is a
so
word.
improve, yeah,
Proof,
yeah.
I think
So
we can,
improve.
yeah. Proof,
Prove its verb, and then
improvement.
okay, yes.
If we can, yeah, so
So
I'm
we
also
can
we need to
include
check it
this,
out,
okay,
right?
yes.
For as long
So
as
I have got Gila 7. Okay, 7 words. You have got 15 words. You are going way ahead of me. Okay,
Thank
yes.
you.
So congratulations, Gila.
Thank you.
So this is what we do. Okay, yes, in prefix and suffix game. Thank you, Gila.
Thank you so much for calling or inviting me or having me here.
Okay.
I had fun.
And then we have one more game, Gila.
So I need
we
to stay
call
here?
it word collocation. Okay,
Okay.
yes.
So do I need to
it's
stay
better.
here? Yeah, okay.
So if you don't mind, you can.
No,
what
I
should
love
say?
playing games.
Okay, yes. So we call it collocation. Okay, you remember,
Okay.
Gila. So for example, if I write one school, one of us will write all the words in which there is that particular word school,
Okay.
and the other one will write all the words related to that word. Just like that kitchen, you remember?
Okay.
Okay.
Logical link?
Yeah,
Okay.
logical link like this. Okay.
Okay.
So
You just give me instruction, right?
you
I'll
have
try
got
to follow,
one
right? Okay.
which is a circle here. Now we will request Chodula to give one word.
Okay,
yes,
now this time you have
any
to give us not
simple
letter but
word.
word, a simple word.
And one of us will write all the words in which there is that word, main word,
Okay.
and the other one will write all the words related to that thing.
So Chodula need to understand this first.
Yeah, okay.
So he need to think which word should he give. Don't give us very difficult word, right?
For example, school, we can write middle school, high school. It's easy,
Okay,
isn't
so
it?
Chodula, you
yes.
have to give us a word so that we can think of words where you have this word. If school, say suppose school, middle school, high school, public school, private school, so you have to think of.
Ball, we can write so many things. Okay, such words.
This is going to be a little tricky, I feel. Wish us luck.
So, Gela, which one do you like to take?
Which?
You go with the, what should I say, that logic word or the other one?
So I have no problem. So you just tell me.
Okay, yes. So
will
I will
try.
take the other one. You take the, what should I say, logic one.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
yes. So, Chotula.
Chodula. Office.
Office, okay.
So I have to
So,
write office here?
yeah, office. I have to write here office. So I have to think of all the words in which there is office.
Okay. So
you
I
can
will
write
be-
all the words related to office.
Okay, logical
yes.
connection, office.
So office. Office. Income tax office. Okay. Income tax office. Okay. Admission office. Office.
What should I write? Office.
Office
Computer
clerk.
staff, work. What do
Can
you?
I write
What else do
office
we find in
clerk?
office?
Office clerk.
Desk, table, right? Okay, I can think
Office.
of the table. I think table, table,
Reception office.
chair. Oh.
Reception. Okay.
Files, very good. Thank you. Whoever has given this
Office.
suggestion, files. There's a lot of files in office, right? Then we
Income tax
have
office.
visitors. Visitors to office. Okay, I can add. Any suggestions coming up
Information
from
office,
audience?
Information office.
Pen. Pen, cupboard. Okay,
Information.
thank you. Pen,
Office.
cupboard.
Office.
Or I can say shelf,
Office.
right?
Admission office.
You can see that
Office.
files, pen. In office we have reception. Okay, I can think of reception.
Office. Bureau
Okay,
office.
receptionist or receptionist or reception.
Bureau. Bureau office.
What else? What else? What else?
Bureau office.
Computer.
Office. Clerk office.
Office.
Post office. Oh, yeah.
Post office.
Post
Computer, chair, table, office staff.
office. Post office. Yeah.
What else? Office, visitors,
These are the
pen,
only
files,
words I
receptionist,
remember.
chair, table, work,
Okay, yes.
cupboard, shelf, staff. I think I can add bills.
Yeah,
bills.
bills.
Okay. So
Yeah, so you have got whole lot of words, Kela. Okay.
these are
Yes.
suggestions, right? Pen, files, cupboard. These are suggestions that came from a table. I think where I came from.
So I did
Viewers.
not
Thank
get
you so
any
much.
suggestions. Okay, yes, Kela. Okay. Now all these are related to office, isn't it?
Yes.
So what do you call? We call it logic words, or we can say family, isn't
Yeah,
it?
word
There's
family,
a
we can
relation.
say, yeah.
Okay. Yes. So it will be easy if you are not familiar with these words. You will get some idea because the main word it's the one that you
Yeah.
already know. Okay. So it will
Word
be easy.
family, or we are associating, right?
Okay, yes.
All the other words with this central idea, the central word.
Okay, so this one is one type, and mine is quite different. Okay, yes. So here, what you have to do, you have to think of all the words where this particular word is there. Okay, you should come up with the words, but make sure that you have this main verb, main word in that word. Okay, yes. So basically, it may be a compound, which is say compound word like this. Okay, not just a single. For example.
Immigration office as well. You have road transport office.
Okay,
RTO.
yeah, RTO, Road Transport Office.
Office.
Okay, yes. So when I say office, it doesn't mean that the word office should always comes in the beginning. Okay, yes. Now in this case, we have got office clerk. I don't know whether this is correct or not, but we used to have that word office clerk. Okay,
Registration
and if you look at other things, that word office is, what should I say, it's the last word here. Okay, it is not in the beginning but last. So information office, income tax, admission office, bureau office, registration office. Okay, so this is the only word where we have office in the beginning. Okay, so they are, which I say, both ways. Okay, yes, office staff. Okay, yes. So basically, these are some of the activities or games related to vocabulary. Okay, yes. So I'm going to stop here. Now, before I stop here, just like Gedenchula has already told you, okay, next week, now we are entering into the last week. Okay, so we have covered almost 7 weeks. Okay, yes, today. And now the next week, one session we'll be dedicating to, what should I say, responding to all the queries, any kind of suggestion, all these things. Okay. So for that, before Friday, we want you to send us your queries, suggestion, or anything. Okay, either in Ketenchula's email or mine. Okay. So I'm going to write my email here. Okay. Yes. Okay, Kela, thank you so much.
For having me
so
here.
my email. Okay, Tentor123, it's gmail.com. Okay, so this is my email. Okay, so if I've got any suggestion, any question, or any, which we say, anything that you want to ask, okay, we will try our best to address any kind of question or suggestion or all these things. Okay, so my email is tentor123@gmail.com. Okay, at the rate or at. Okay, some people say tentor123@gmail. Okay, and whether it is at the rate or at. Okay, so this is my email. So we will see you in the next week and the last session. Okay, till then, take care and goodbye.